Welcome to KC Online IELTS Speaking module. In this video, I will take you through the speaking section of the IELTS test. The aim of this video is to familiarize you with the three sections of the speaking test and what you should expect on the day of your test. I would like to quickly take you through the basics here. Here's what you should expect out of a standard IELTS speaking section. This is the shortest section of the IELTS, lasting for about 11 to 14 minutes. Your speaking test can be scheduled on the same day as your paper or computer-based test. It can also be scheduled within or after 1 week from your computer or paper-based examinations. It is important to stay calm in the test and also focus on the questions. This is usually a short but intense conversation between an examiner and the candidate.